Welcome to the Basic Trading channel. My name is Philip, and today I will analyze Bitcoin from a multi-time frame perspective. Starting out here on the weekly time frame, what you can see is that as we are speaking, Bitcoin is once again retesting a major previous weekly structure zone, where you can see, in fact, all the way back in January of 2021, Bitcoin perfectly found support at this roughly $30,000 level and had a quite nice rejection towards the upside. Then we again found short-term support 3 times in a row, quite nicely rejecting towards the upside. And now you can see that over the last crypto bear market, Bitcoin perfectly broke below this previous support zone, which was of course turned resistance, and we already rejected this resistance towards the downside a first time. We are now once again retesting this resistance zone. However, from a weekly perspective, everything is looking quite bullish. We are still creating higher highs and higher lows from a weekly perspective. So I'm right now just waiting for Bitcoin to actually break above this previous resistance zone, which at that point is turn support, and then simply create more continuation towards the upside. Dropping down on the daily time frame, this is where things get super interesting. As I've been pointing out for quite some time, Bitcoin perfectly broke out of this quite nice falling wedge formation, and right now we're once again retesting this resistance zone roughly at this $30,000 level from which we started all these corrections just a couple of weeks ago. And of course, this previous resistance zone is now turned quite strong resistance once again. You can also see that from a daily perspective, Bitcoin is kind of struggling to actually break above this previous resistance zone. However, as I mentioned, weekly market structure is overall still looking bullish. So right now, I'm just waiting for a break above this previous resistance zone, which at that point is turned support. And if we then have some bullish confirmation inside of the zone, there is an extremely high chance that we will see more continuation towards the upside. Or we could also see another retest of this previous major structure zone, where you can see we had a bunch of previous support, which was then turned resistance, which was turned short-term support today again. And if Bitcoin once again retests this previous support zone, from here we could also see another rejection towards the upside. So right now, just waiting for one of those two scenarios, and of course, I'll keep you updated as always. Now, if you enjoyed this free analysis, education, and update, make sure to smash that like button below. I wish you all an amazing weekend, time to recover, but as always, do not lose your long-term vision. Cheers.